Hi, I'm Debbie Dalrymple with Versitas Software Training. Today I'm going to show you how to create a header row using Microsoft Word 2013. Usually we use header rows in tables where we want the information in that row to be repeated when the table becomes longer than one page. So let's look at how to do that in a table we've got ready for us to use today. In this document we have a table that shows different products we sell and who the vendors are. You'll see on this table that the table spans a page break, so it rolls on to the second page. We'd like this first row that has the topics of each column to be repeated when the table repeats on the second page. So how we're going to do that is we're going to click once in the left margin to select the entire row. Then we're going to right-click on top of the selected area and point to Table Properties on the menu. We'll click Table Properties and then click on the Row tab in the Table Properties dialog box. Next, check the box that says Repeat as Header Row at the top of each page. Then click the OK button, and when you return to your table, you'll notice that that header row now appears at the top of page 2 and any subsequent pages that this table may spill onto. And that's how you create a header row in your table using Microsoft Word.